Hello everyone, in this lecture, we are going to learn inversion of conditional sentences, but before we start, if you are new to my channel, then please like and subscribe the channel. Let's start it. But first we should know that what inversion is. Inversion in conditional sentences refers to a grammatical technique where the order of the subject and verb is reversed. What does it mean? Simply, it means that inversion is nothing but it is just a way of creating another structure from a conditional sentence. Basically, you need to remember that when a conditional sentence is inversed, then it does not change the meaning of the sentence, but it just becomes more formal. And every conditional sentence has a specific structure in conditional sentence. So, it has also a specific structure in an inversion form. The first conditional sentence structure is if, present simple plus simple future. Just look at these examples. If you need more information, we will provide you. This is a first conditional sentence in normal structure, but if we want to do inversion of this sentence, then follow this structure. Should plus subject plus base verb, subject plus, will plus base verb. Should you need more information, we will provide you. Observe this one, we have removed the word if, and replaced it with the word should, and then followed the same structure. So, this is the inversion form of first conditional sentence. If you keep my book, I will teach you English. Just do inversion of this sentence. First we have to remove the conjunction, if, then add the word should, and then follow the given structure. Like, should you keep my book? I will teach you English. You can see, the first conditional sentence inversion is done. So, you can also do inversion of first conditional sentence by this way. Now let's learn inversion of second conditional sentence. Basically, the second conditional sentence normal structure is if plus subject plus, past simple, plus subject plus, would plus, base verb. And the structure of inversion is were plus subject plus to infinitive, plus subject plus, would plus base verb. Just look at these example. If I had more time, I would travel around the world. Well, if you want to do inversion of this sentence, then first remove if, and add the term were, and then to infinitive and then the rest of sentence. Like, were I to have more time, I would travel around the world. You can see, it is also a second conditional sentence, but this one is in inversion form. You should remember that the meaning is the same, but now it has just become more formal. If they offered me the job, I would take it. This is also a normal second conditional. Let's do inversion of this one. The inversion form is were they to offer me the job, I would take it. You can see, now it is easy because the inverted structure is followed. Actually, the meaning is not changed, but it has become more formal. If she knew the truth, she would not inform him. Look at this one, the inversion form of this sentence is were she to know the truth, she would not inform him. You can see first we have replaced the word if with another word were, and then change the second form of verb into infinitive. So, this is the way to do inversion of a second conditional sentence. Let's learn the inversion of third conditional sentence. The normal structure of third conditional sentence is if plus subject, plus had plus third verb, plus subject plus, would plus have plus, third verb. And the inversion structure is had plus, subject, plus third verb, plus subject plus, would have plus, third verb. These are structures, and now just learn it through examples. If I had studied harder, I would have passed the exam. This is a normal third conditional sentence, and its inversion can be done like this. Had I studied harder, I would have passed the exam. You can see first we have removed the conjunction, if, and then started the sentence with, had, and simply followed the whole structure of it. So, this is the inversion of third conditional sentence. If they had invited me, I would have gone to the party. This is normal third conditional sentence, and this sentence with inversion can be like this. Had they invited me, I would have gone to the party. Again, the conjunction is removed and the word, had, is brought to the beginning of the sentence, and then the whole structure is followed. If I had known the truth, I would have told you. This one can also be changed like, had I known the truth, I would have told you. You can see, this is the way and structures of all conditional sentences with inversions. I hope you have enjoyed this lecture, but please don't forget like and subscription to the channel. Thank you.